today we are having sausage, jasmine rice, and cucumbers with some delicious sauce. The sauce is very simple: avocado oil, onions, garlic, hot sauce, butter, sugar, seasonings. Very simple. I have some water here on the side. I am hungry. I'm excited because I'm having some rice. I haven't had rice in so long, you guys. So I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a lot of talking today because I'm ready to enjoy. You hear me? Enjoy some jasmine rice, okay? Oh my God, I can't wait. Oh, look at this sauce. Yum. Ooh, I'm gonna get a piece of sausage. I know y'all don't like all the blowing. Mmm. Oh my gosh. This is kielbasa, beef kielbasa that I put in the air fryer. Y'all, this is so good. So good. Let me just enjoy my food. Whew. I like my sausages with a little bit of burnt on it. You gotta have it with a little bit of burn on it. It just gives it a whole nother flavor. And these sausages, they are so juicy. Man, so good. Yeah. There is nothing like jasmine rice. Absolutely nothing. It is the best rice I have ever tasted. It is it's just so perfect. It's like fluffy, and like when you chew it, it's just nothing I've ever tasted before. when it comes to rice. I'm not kidding. If you never had jasmine rice, I'm trying to tell you. If you don't know how to make rice, because I understand. Oh, excuse me. I understand that some people don't know how to make rice. Rice is not easy for some people, and I get that. Get the Uncle Ben, I think. At your local grocery store, there is bags of rice. You want to get the Uncle Ben. I believe it's called Uncle Ben. You just put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. And there you have your jasmine rice. Thank me later. I'm telling you, it is good. And make sure if you want to get the sausage, make sure you make it a little bit burnt. And it's absolutely delicious. And these are not spicy at all. Oh, excuse me. Yum, yum, yummy. Whew. And the sausages, they look so pretty. Oh, I wish y'all could help me eat this. I need a nap after this. Y'all. And it's so good. Y'all already know it's holiday season, Christmas season. Them malls are bananas. Bananas. I don't even like leaving the house. I don't even like leaving the house. It's just so many people out, shopping. Just, oh my goodness. I really want to get a new phone. I went to the mall. I wanted to get a new phone, and I saw just all the traffic that was in there, and I was just like, ooh, I can't do it. I don't like shopping in store. Is anybody else like that? I just got so used to like just having access to Amazon, and you just get your package like that. Yo, Amazon is like a crazy force to be reckoned with. Like, man, you could just think of something, go right on your phone. Like, what kind of a luxury? Do you guys realize that that's like a serious luxury? We can think of something, grab our smartphone, and be like, boop, I want that. And it's at our doorstep the next day. That's crazy. That is so crazy. So I think a lot of us have gotten spoiled by Amazon. And they just make everything so simple and so easy. I love Amazon. It feels like it's my birthday every day because I get a package every day, it seems like. So yeah, I do all my stuff online just to avoid the crowds, because I just don't like a lot of crowds. But I do. It's a couple things I want to get for myself. I want the Jordan 11s, the one that's coming out on the 12th. I love the 11s. Those are my favorite. So I want to get a pair of those. A couple of outfits. And that's pretty much it. I don't really do a lot of shopping. I'm surprised I don't. I don't know. I just don't do a lot of shopping. Ooh, y'all. Yeah, full. But yes, what y'all been doing? Do y'all do online shopping? Would y'all rather go in the store? I'd rather do everything online. But you know what I don't like? Returning stuff. Oh my goodness, returning stuff is so annoying. I just don't like it. So I be praying that the stuff fit. Oh my gosh, I do not like returning anything. That's just one of my things. Oh! Oh! Excuse me. I'm full. I'm so full, you guys. But yes, y'all, I'm trying to stay out of those stores. I did catch the candle sale that Bath and Body Works be having, y'all. The line was crazy, but the line was moving fast, so I was happy about that. I need my candles. I love candles. I love Bath and Body Works candles. And it's just something about burning a candle in your home. It just really brings that energy in. Relaxing, calm energy. I love it. So yeah, I caught that sale. And yeah, that was pretty much it. And I was like, I will not be coming back out of the house. I will not be going into anybody's stores. Everybody, whatever they want, will be coming from online. And that's going to be that. Oh, because this time of the year gets crazy, you guys. What y'all doing for New Year's? I'm still trying to figure out what I'm going to do for New Year's. I just want to spend time with family and just be around the ones that I love. That's really all that matters to me during the holidays. Like, I don't really care about anything else. All I care about is like my family, my friends, the ones that I love. And I always think about people that, you know, I always think about other people that are going through things, you know. Some people are going to be spending the holidays alone. Some people live far away from home and they don't have any family and, you know, stuff like that. So I always try to be mindful of all the many blessings that we have, and you too. We're all very, very blessed, whether you have a lot of money, whether you have a little bit of money, whether you are living in, you know, a small house, driving a lemon, whatever you want to call it. You are truly, truly, truly blessed. Blessed does not mean that you have a certain amount of money. And I really hate when people equate being blessed with having a lot of money. That's not it at all. You are blessed and fortunate for waking up this morning. You're blessed and fortunate to be able to walk, to be able to talk. You know what I mean? Those are blessings. And sometimes we take the things that just come so natural to us, we just take it for granted, because you're just expected to wake up tomorrow morning. You just expect to be able to breathe and eat and taste and, you know, go about your merry way. But some people cannot do any of those things that we take for granted. So that's what I like to try to remind myself at all times. I hope that you guys can remind yourselves to have that type of attitude and to spread love. Spread love during the season, whether you celebrate the holidays or not. Try to be more nice to people, smile at people, be more patient, and watch God, the universe, whatever you believe in, match your energy times 10. And it's just a wonderful thing. I've had so many amazing things happen to me, like just me being out and about, like, you know, just someone smiling at me or opening the door for me. Or, you know, one lady, I was in Dollar Tree and she was like, oh, go ahead in front of me. That's all you have. You can go in front of me. That's amazing. People don't have to do that. Like, I take all of that. I take all of that as good energy and just positivity. And I'm super, super, super excited, and just being around people who have the same like-minded energy. I'm so grateful for the people that I call my friends, and just having such good relationships with people. And I'm grateful for you guys and just all the love and all the support, and just I could just go on forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. I just want you guys to know that you mean so much to me, more than you can even imagine. I appreciate every last one of you. I hope that this season is filled with lots of love and happiness, and I hope you guys decide to look at the brighter side of life. It is so easy to tap into the negative side, what we don't have, what we wish we had, what we lost, all the negative things. It's so easy to do that. But I challenge you to look at the positive this time. Instead of, if you're somebody who's always thinking about the negative, always thinking about, oh, this happened, that happened, she did that, she that, whatever. Start thinking about the positive things that happen in your life. You know what I mean? You might have gone through a breakup, but maybe it was necessary. You know what I'm saying? You might have lost your job, but maybe it was necessary. You might have had something happen to you, but maybe it was necessary. Maybe you had to go through that. Maybe you had to learn something from each situation that you go through. So that's what I want you guys to think about. I love each and every one of you. I wish I could hug each and every one of you. Again, thank you for being here with me. Thank you for supporting me and loving me and your sweet, kind comments. I appreciate it. It does not go unnoticed. I thank you all so very much. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video.